Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 screen dimming problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type a edit power plan. Open edit power plan, click on a change adapter settings. After that, enable adaptive brightness on battery is off, and plugin make sure that is off. After that, click on OK button and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your display and make sure that night mode is turned off. Now turn off it and close it. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your gamings, click on a game mode and make sure that turn off game mode and close it. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager, go to your display adapter, select a display adapter, right click on update driver, click on search automatic drive for drivers. Now you can see that Windows has successfully updated the driver. After updating the driver, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. If your problem is fixed, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager, open device manager. After that, select a display adapter. Select a display adapter, right click and click on uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer and once again restart the install our graphic drivers. And after doing this that, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.